Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? Just wanted to start doing these vlogs. Vlogs? What's the right way to say that shit? I'm too old for this. But just wanted to go ahead and do a quick video. Show everybody what's been going on with us. So, you see that? It's backwards because behind me it's a selfie camera. You know how that works. But all that to say is we've got ourselves a real spot. So right here at the corner of O'Neill and Waters Park, we've got a badass little shop. We're doing this with Custom Auto ATX, and so I'll come down here just to show you real quick. We've got a garage. Custom Auto ATX is doing some badass work, but everybody just left to go do some pictures, do a photo shoot at the Austin 360 bridge, because it's the fucking Austin 360 bridge and it's awesome. So they're all headed out that way, but wanted to just do a quick video, talk about some of the cool stuff we've got here at the shop, and kind of go from there. Excuse my hand, maybe I'll cut that out. So this is our sweet little shop. We've got the TV. What do you got playing? Ooh, Initial D, perfect. And as you can see, we got tons of model kits, all the good stuff. Aoshima, Tamiya, Fujimi. I even have some really cool golf. Got some wheels for the 124 scale. Then we got some American stuff. Got Liberty Walk stuff. All kinds of goodies. And then shirts. Those are all on the website. I'll start putting these up soon too. They won't be sweaty because I won't be wearing them. They'll be fresh if you buy them. But that's an option. And then we also have a bunch of snack kits. So yeah, we're trying to stock as much cool stuff as we can, because this is what people want. And then got Pokemon cards, got Magic cards, and then just another quick part of the shop. Obviously we haven't painted, but we're going to. But we've got our little station set up for making shirts, doing some Cricut stuff, making custom decals, and then all of our backstock stuff. So if you ain't got nothing to do, you know, hit us up, come check out the shop. We're gonna be open mostly on weekends because we've got day jobs, but we'll be doing that, and then we'll be out here. Hopefully within this video, I've chopped in some clips of some cool stuff, maybe some techno music. But earlier there was a rollout. We had a couple Skylines and the SEMA that Greg drives, and the Eclipse that Adam drives, and the Beamer that Lewis drives. So a lot of cool cars came around. Giovanni was here with his fucking badass R33. And so yeah, and then we've got another room in here that we haven't really done too much with. The plan is to make this a lounge, and so that way, as people are out here getting their car worked on, you know, you can come inside, you can hang out, chill in the AC, and then look at some cool stuff, watch some Dragon Ball or some Initial D, maybe play some video games. So maybe leave a comment, let us know what you'd like to see in the new shop. What kind of stuff do you want us to sell? So yeah, and then hi Rachel. What's up? So yeah, that's what we've got going on. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, share with your friends. Roundhouse that fucking subscribe button. You'll hit that notification bell like it owes you money, or like it's your best friend. You want to slap him real hard. Slap that notification bell. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.